So a couple more things that are important to note when you're using a split screen is that it can sometimes be confusing when you're on one tab and you wonder where your markups went because they're actually part of the other tab. So just be cognizant when you're doing this that you are careful that you are actually splitting between these and paying attention to which markups you're doing. One other thing you can do as well, if you have multiple screens, you can take one of these tabs and click and drag, and you can drag that out to the other screen. And if you were to do that, what it would do is it would add that to the second screen so that you can have multiple screens with multiple drawings on it. Just remember again that the markups list are going to be applicable to whichever tab you happen to be clicking on and whichever screen that happens to be on as well. If you want to remove the split screen, all you're going to do is just come back over here to the button that unsplits and it will bring everything back to one. One last tip and trick I do want to show you is the snapshot tool. So the snapshot tool is found right here. This button, again, as part of your profile, it's already added at the top. And what the snapshot tool does is it allows you to take a section if you wanted it and snapshot it, which basically means copy it, and then you can come over to a different area and you can click and you can paste that section, that drawing piece that you've taken out in. So if you wanted to, let's say, bring this piece over because you wanted to cloud it and create an additional call out that was modifying every door or something along those lines, you could do that using the snapshot tool. Okay, that concludes tips and tricks.